My baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.
Hey guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video. So our content for today is new haircut surprise. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. Hello.
Yo. G.
Wait, stop. Okay. No.
Upa. 8/10.
Thanks.
Arigato.
Charlene,
Hi.
I want you to rate my hair.
Which one?
Oh,
Show me.
don't be shocked, huh?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Nice. That's good.
Okay, rate out of 10.
To scale to 10, I think that is 8.9. Sige, Gio.
Bye.
Yes.
Do you wanna do like hair reveal? Hair reveal?
Harry Bell.
A rate ha out of 10.
Okay.
Play. Oh
Oh my God!
my god!
Giving! Kanang bagay ni mo as in bagay. Oh my God, giving. Rate kay 10/10. 10/10. Bagay.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you all. Die.
Hi, Day.
Okay, so I'm having a haircut earlier than, but if mag-rate ka, out of 10
Sure.
lang. Okay, Gar?
Go. Hulo! Giving up pa.
Ay,
Oh my gosh.
okay, rate
It's
out
so
of
short.
10.
I rate it 8.5.
Think available.
Sige, bye-bye. Yes?
Okay, so I got haircut earlier. Then you rate
me.
at out of 10.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay,
1, 2,
2, 3.
go.
Oh. Okay, rate it out of 10.
Mm, 8.6 out of 10.
Bye-bye. Do you wanna see my hair?
Yes.
Rate out of 10, huh? Okay, bye.
Buyer.
Okay, hair
Yes.
reveal.
Go. Wait.
Oh my god.
Go.
Like, like how do you rate it out of 10?
5. 5.
Okay, bye.
Kaliba.
Hello.
Oh.
So, earlier I got haircut. Okay, so rate out of 10, ha?
Mga
Guys, I'm here upstairs and she didn't know. I didn't give permission. I didn't tell her. Ma? Ma?
Hindi pwede mo hair lang. Ka-very good. Kagwapa.
Fry. Rate.
Rate 10.
Ano? Bye.
Ano yan, mangka?
Eh?
Papagulong. Kagwapa sa akong laga. Ay, ha?
And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. Farewell.